How to repair and clean your washing machine after a flood. A washing machine submerged in floodwaters faces major challenges due to prolonged exposure to water, mud, and contaminants. The recovery and cleaning of this appliance are essential to ensure its safety and proper functioning. Below, we present a detailed guide on the procedures for recovering and cleaning a washing machine that has been submerged for a long time. 1. Safety first. Unplug the washing machine and make sure the area around it is dry. Use personal protective equipment, such as rubber gloves and boots, to avoid electrical shock. Do not attempt to start the machine until all cleaning and inspection procedures are completed. 2. Removal and initial inspection. Disconnect the washing machine from the water source and sewer. Move the machine to a dry, well-ventilated location. Start by removing all moving parts and removable components, such as the drum, detergent drawers, filters, and drain hose. Visually inspect all components for damage, such as corrosion, damaged wires, or broken parts. 3. Initial cleaning. Wash all removable parts with clean water and neutral detergent. Use a soft brush to remove mud and debris from surfaces. For the internal parts of the machine, use a low-pressure hose to carefully rinse off mud and debris. Be sure to thoroughly clean the drum, rubber seals, and detergent drawers. 4. Disinfection and detailed cleaning. Prepare a disinfectant solution with bleach, 1 tablespoon for every liter of water, and use it to disinfect all internal and external surfaces of the machine. Use a cloth or sponge to apply the solution to hard-to-reach areas. Let the solution sit for a few minutes before rinsing with clean water. Make sure all parts are completely dry before proceeding. 5. Inspection and replacement of components. After cleaning and disinfecting, thoroughly inspect all electrical and electronic components, including wiring, connectors, control board, and motor. Replace any component that is corroded, damaged, or malfunctioning. If the motor or control board is affected, it may be necessary to consult a qualified technician for replacement. Also, check the water and drain hoses for possible cracks or blockages and replace them if necessary. After all parts are cleaned, disinfected, dried, and inspected, reassemble the washing machine. Connect it back to the water and sewage source and plug it into the electrical outlet. Perform a test cycle without clothes to ensure the machine is working properly and there are no leaks. Monitor initial operation for unusual noises, glitches, or electrical problems. Following these detailed procedures can help restore your washing machine to working order after a flood, ensuring it is safe for use. However, if the machine has suffered severe damage, it may be more economical and safer to consider replacing it with a new appliance.